What's up, everybody? It's your boy Midwest Flesh. I hear 12 Gage.
Hello.
Taking him on his first day exploring. First time exploring. So right here we're downtown Gary. We're gonna check out the old steam engine down here. That was a big part of Gary's history. And we're gonna check out the first permanent structure in Gary, which was the where you went and bought land
To build on.
Yep. So there's Gary's courthouse there, or city hall. See, this was a big fountain right here. This used to work. See the pipes and stuff?
I think they shut it off.
Yeah, for sure. It's been shut down for years.
Still water in there because of the rain we've been having.
Check it out. I think I'm gonna switch my lens. Put my wide angle on. I'll be right back. Gary's Land Company building. Gary's treasure.
Rededicated?
See, it was built in 1906. The first permanent structure built in Gary, and was one of Gary's first town halls, polling place, post office, and high school. 1981, this house was placed on the National Registry of Historic Places and restored in 1982 to its original appearance. Check this out, you guys. If you guys want to read the rest of it, go ahead and pause it. Plus, I'll put a still shot of it in there. And also this one. Anybody home? Wait, that'd be cool if it was open. Oh, we go in. Anyways, so this is it, man. Look at it. They helped restore this place. It was falling apart. It was in really bad shape for a while.
You see a Chevy wheel up there.
Uh-huh. Chevy wheel. Right now we're gonna walk around the house, check it out a little bit. Then we're gonna go check out the steam engine.
Right there.
I wish I could get in here. I like to see the inside of this place. Always have. There used to be a big thing here. You can see by all the squares. There used to be pillars. It was a big. That's all that's left of it, though. Here's the back of that place. There's City Hall over there. Let's walk around this side. Those sketchy old stairs, man. I wish I could go inside there. I always wanted to go inside there. Alright, let's go check her out. Let's see.
Is that how they used to build these things?
Oh, number 765. This train here, the EJ&E number 765, it was built by the Baldwin Locomotive Works in Philadelphia. In 1929 this was built. And then it ran along the outer Chicago Belt Railroad stretch from Porter to Waukegan, Illinois. Then it was going to be scrapped at one point, and U.S. Steel saved it from being scrapped, and then they put it to use, and they were using it for a while, U.S. Steel. And then, yeah, man, let's go check it out. And this right here is called Gateway Park along 4th Avenue right here in Gary. So let's check it out, and let's go inside, and let's go check out some of the details of this bad boy. You know what that's called? Cow catcher. Cows used to wander onto the tracks, and that would knock them out of the way. I think there used to be a lot bigger one on the front of here, as you can see. That's how they link them up right there, buddy. And this will lock the link into the knuckle.
But this part's gone. This one's part over here.
Look at that. That's cool, isn't it? Let's walk around this bad boy and see. Look at the wheels, man. Big shout out to the Mikado. You guys do a good job over here, man. We appreciate what you guys do, and that's cool you guys did this. And we're gonna walk over to the old train station that they preserved too. So big shout out to the Mikado, man. You guys are doing a good job. We appreciate you guys. Huh? Oh, I know. Check these out. Stand next to that.
This shows you how big this thing is.
I'm gonna go around the back. Look at the size of those chains, bud.
Yep, those things are starting. They're starting. Let me take off my gloves right now. Oh, so this is
Yeah? Alright. So you see that piece of wood?
Yeah.
Be careful where you step.
Can you come up here?
I'm coming up. Here.
This is where they would put the charcoal, guys. They would scoop up the charcoal, the coal, and they would put it in here, and it would burn it. And make it
Yeah, this is the coal bin right here.
Yep.
Then here it was, butterfly fire door. They'd open that, they'd shovel it in there. Here's the stoker. This would get it going. That was where the actual fire was. Here's the plaque they put on it, U.S. Steel. Me and Uncle Paul were here before trying to figure it out. See this?
Yeah.
World's smallest steering wheel. No, it's a valve. What do you think about that?
I like it.
It's pretty cool, isn't it?
They would stick their heads out, or they would go through this little gap right there.
Yep, and they would wave. Yeah, they can see right through there.
And see, the bell would be up there somewhere. They would have a little bell.
Yeah, there would be a thing where they pull it. Where there's a hatch.
But yeah, this is all the components and stuff. We're standing up high right now.
Yeah, that's cool, isn't it?
Yeah.
Little hatches.
That would be a bad idea to go in there.
Yeah, I don't want
Yep.
all the valves and stuff. Look, that was a wooden ceiling in here. I'm surprised that wood's still there.
Yeah.
Look at this, switches and stuff. Uh-oh, we're gonna start it. We're gonna take off.
Oh, wait. Look outside of the train. The hair might be there. This is the hand.
Handbrake? I doubt that. That's something. Release steam.
Yeah. No, that ain't. I think it's
There was a big lever right here too on this thing that came down and was connected to this.
Yep.
Cool, huh?
Yeah.
Imagine sitting there for miles and miles and miles and hours just cruising across the United States. Just sitting there cruising, waving at people. Wave at the people. Hey, wave at the people as you're driving by.
Yeah.
That's South Shore train there.
I think Locomotive will start leaving because I think I saw
It might be. Adventure time, huh, Gage?
Yep.
There it is, guys. Old 765. So right here it says U.S. Steel Gary Works locomotives. Locomotive 765 was restored by the employees of Gary Works. July 1992. Presented to the citizens of Gary, July 20th, 1992, as a reminder of Gary's proud industrial heritage and as a commitment to cooperation and the success of the future. There it is, guys. Butterfly fire doors, U.S. steel plaque, rivets, little steering wheels, everything. It's all here. Gage is here. Let's do it. We're gonna go check out the train station. Look at all these fittings. All this stuff on here, man.
Take a piece.
There's spiders in there too.
Let's take a piece.
That's not coal, it's rocks.
Oh.
Look at that. Patented in 1915, this part right here. The reverse gear.
And they destroyed the tracks and just left this part with tracks in it. Oh, they barely did tracks.
And see this big tank up here? This all was water and steam. Would hold the water for the steam. Big old water tank.
I just know like there's still like a little bit of water in there.
These levers, man.
This is what it would move and it would make the
Yeah.
table.
Look how rusted out that part is.
Oh my god. This shows you the history of this thing.
Yeah, man. These old levers and stuff. More old parts right there. See in the picture, you can see there was some other pieces that went on here. Check out the picture. I'm putting it in right now, and again, you guys check it out and compare it. This is the train. This is it. Look at the little parts, and then you can line them up on the original picture. I mean, there's distinctive pieces. You know what I mean? So, yeah, those two big pieces that went right here,
Yep.
that are gone. Like somebody cut them off and maybe
I found
scrap
out
them.
when I walked through.
Those, yeah, those tall things right here.
Yep. You have one on me now.
Yep.